vegetables. You have learned this word earlier. How do you spell vegetables? V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. And fruits? F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. See? Here also you can see some fruits. See you can see strawberries. And you can see some corn, tomatoes, capsicum. Here also some fruits. See? Yeah, fruits. Some fruits. So we get all these vegetables and fruits from plants. And what about this one? Yeah, here you can see grams, another food item from plants. See, there are a lot of grams. A variety of gram in Sri Lanka. What are they? What do you know? Give me some examples. Yeah, here you can see chickpeas, green grams, cowpea, and dal also here. Dal. Right. A lot of grain, gram. So many kinds of gram here. Grams. They are called grams. Yeah. All these things come from plants. Then see here also you can see some grams. And there's another thing. Yams. How do you spell yams? Y-A-M-S. Then how do you spell grams? Grams. G-R-A-M-S. Grams. Here yams. Yams. Right. Types of yams are, here you can see sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, batala. Yams means alavarga. Here sweet potatoes means batala. And see, they are called manioc. They are called manioc. You can see some yams, another kind of yams here. Right. All these yams are also from plants. Now you have learned 4 items. First, vegetables and fruits from plants. Then grams from plants. Then yams also from plants, right? Okay. Now what can you say? What do you say about food from animals? Food from animals. That is the next part of getting our food, right? Yeah, as you know, there are a lot of food items coming from the animals also. What are they? Let's see some Yeah, here you can see some food items from animals. What are they? You tell me. You can see some fish here, fish, and meat, some meat. Meat. What do you mean by meat? Masala. Fish malu. How do you spell fish? F-I-S-H. Then meat. Eat meat. E-A-T-E. E-A-T-E. Here. Eat meat. And here in this side you can see some eggs. Right? What can you say about this one? Yeah, this is a milk. This is milk. Right. So there are a lot of milk products. We can say them as dairy food. Dairy food. Right. And here, what can you say about meat? Tell me, children. Tell me, my dear. How can we get meat? Yeah, come on. We can get meat from, here you can see meat, from chickens, cows, pigs, like that. Then here milk. And also tell me, what do you call the meat of a cow? Meat of a cow? Yeah. The meat of a cow is beef. Beef. Then meat taken from a pig is called pork. Pig. Pig means ura. Then meat taken from a pig is called pork. Then meat taken from a goat, what do you call? Yeah, it is called mutton. Mutton. Now let me tell you something about fish. There are so many kinds of fish in the market. You have seen. There are some small fish and some big fish too. You know, my dear, there are many varieties of fish. For example, as big fish, I can say tuna, shark, salmon, spearfish. A small fish, normally you know sprat. And there are many more small fish in the market. Right? And as seafood items, seafood, muhuduar, you like seafood. You know about seafood. Seafood means muhuduahara, seafood, muhuduahara. As seafood, we can say cuttlefish and prawn. Prawn? What do you mean by prawn? So, cuttlefish. Another tasty food, seafood. Dallo. Right. We can, you know them. Right. And also, as milk products or dairy products, we can introduce cheese, butter, yogurt and curd also put it. All are milk products. Cheese, butter, yogurt and curd, you know. them. You like them very much. And I need to say another thing, my dear. You know very well about sausages and meatballs. Sausages and meatballs. They are also taken from meat. They are taken from meat. And what about honey? What do you mean by honey? Penny. Yeah. How do you get honey? From animals or from plants? Honey? Yeah, you know. We can get honey from bees. So it's also a animal food. And what about sweet corn? Sweet corn, Iringu, you have seen them. Sweet corns from plants. Right? Okay. And there are peanuts. You like cashew nuts. They are also from plants. Right? Okay. What do you mean by spread? Tell me spread. Spread? Halmesso. Spread. We know there are dried spread and we can get spread in fresh. Right? Raw spread. We call them as spread. Raw spread. Right? Okay. Put page 62. Find and say. Yeah. Here you can see the same pictures. Yeah. First done. Let's read the sentence here. We get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. Here you can see the first category. It is food from plants. Food from plants. You can see the same 4 types that we already discussed earlier. You can see these 4 types. You have learned these 4 earlier with me. We discussed them. Right, now you can tell me. You read, darling. Yams, grams, fruits and vegetables. Come on. Yams, grams, fruits, vegetables. Yams, grams, fruits, vegetables. Right. Food from plants. Right. Then the next, food from animals. Food from animals. You can see meat here, M-E-A-T, meat, and fish, F-I-S-H, fish, eggs, E-G-G-S, eggs, and milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Right, and we have already discussed about milk products, about dairy products, right. You know those things now very well. Right. Now we will move on to our workbook soon. Right. Get ready, my dear. Page 60. Are you ready, my dear? Right. Here we'll see the instructions. Select and write. See these, read the instructions. Select and write. Yeah, here you can see 2 circles. First one is for food we get from plants. Second one for food we get from animals. Food we get from plants. Food we get from animals. Right. See. Right, you can see some items down. Let's see. You read. meat, eggs, fish, milk, green gram. Green gram? Come on. In Sinhala, mungata. Green leaves, a new word. Green leaves. Come on, Putte, what do you mean by green leaves? Green leaves, pala. Pala. What is it? Repeat. Green leaves. Come on. Green leaves. Again. Green leaves. Green leaves. Vegetables, yams, fruits. Right. Now take two colors, my dear. Two colors. And put a dot on the top. Here. Two colors. One dot here. I'm going to do. You also follow me. Select two colors and one dot here and another color. Yeah, and another color and put a dot here in the second above the second circle. Another color. Right. Okay. Now we will go to see the word list again. We are going to select the words from the list. First circle, you have to write there the food we get from plants. Plants. See, it's better to have a dot in green. Let's take a green. Let's take the color green color there because taken from plants. Right. Now let's go to see the word list. Right. Now use better cut the words that we can get from plants. Yeah, what are they? Please help me. Meat, no. Eggs, can't get. Fish, milk, can't. Then green gram. Yeah, let's cut it. Green gram from plants. Then what about green leaves? Also plants. Vegetables, plants. Yams, again plants. Then fruits, also from plants. Right. Now you can write these things in the first circle. Right. Let's write them here. Green gram, G-R-E-E-N, G-R-E-E-N, gram, G-R-A-M. G-R-A-M, green gram. Then green leaves. Come on, you help me. Green leaves. G-R-E-E-N, leaves. Leaf, L-E-A-V-E-S. L-E-A-V-E-S, green leaves. Then vegetables. V-E, yeah, come on, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, B-L-E-S, vegetables. Then, who is the friend of vegetables? Fruits. Alright, then write fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Yeah. One more remain. What is it? You find the word? That's right. It is yams. Write down. Yams. Y-A-M-S. Right. All are taken from plants. Right. Now let's go to see the other set. Yeah. The color is yellow. Now we are going to cut the rest. Cut the rest. Right. Meat. Eggs. Fish, milk, then that's all. Right. Let's write them there. in the second circle. They are from animals, right? Let's write. Yeah, you also write with me. Yeah, first one, what is it? Meat. How do you write meat? M-E-A-T. Then eggs. E-G-G-S. Then fish. F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H. Last word, what is it? Milk. Milk. Okay. Right. We can write milk products here. Let's write them also. You write the milk products that we discussed here. What are they? You write. You have enough space to write. You write cheese. Let's write cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Then butter. How do you write butter? B-U-T-T-E-R. B-U-T-T-E-R. Then yogurt, you know the word. Y-O-G-H-U-R-T. H-U-R-T. Y-O-G-H-U-R-T. R-T. Then curd. C-U-R-D. Curd. C-U-R-D. Curd. Curd. You can box them in this way and add them in front of milk here in the given circle in this way. Okay? Right. Next activity, find and write. Now you know all the words. Here you have 5 words. You can easily identify all. You can easily identify them. Please tell me the first one. Yeah, come on. Yeah, it's eggs. Right. How do you write eggs? Spell it. E-G-G-S. Okay. Well done. Number 2. Yeah, it's also a familiar word. What is it? Fruits. How do you write fruits? F-R-U-I-T-S. Very good. Number 3. Come on. Fish. F-I-S-H. That's right. Next one. What is it? Okay, correct. Yams. Y-A-M-S. Right. Last one. So easy. It's milk. M-I-L-K. You got it. Right. Yes. Now this is your time. You can see a very nice extra activity. Take your extra activity book and pause the video and draw the plant here, the tree and the animal nicely in your book, and you have to categorize the words which you can see here in the box. You read and sort the word and write them in the correct place. Food from plants and food from animals. You better write them in the tree and in the cock. You can see Mr. Cock here. Do your work nicely. Hope you will do your activities nicely. And don't be lazy. Don't skip your work. We'll meet once again with another interesting lesson, my dear. Until then, have a great time. Goodbye, everybody.